I recently ordered a new keyboard from the TikTok shop, so I'm gonna unbox it. So I got this keyboard that came in. It's the Aula S99 Pro, and I'm with my mom. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
I knew you were gonna say that. So let's open the box.
I'm gonna help you open it.
Sure, because I have to film. Okay. Alright, so this is...
Hold on. Ooh.
See, it's nice and pink. Could you help me get it out the styrofoam? My camera work is so bad.
Ready for the reveal?
Yeah, let's see it.
Ooh.
Yeah, it has like a little screen. Does it sound so great? Oh, my mom loves it.